Hey folks, what's going on? We're out here trying to do a little pier fishing. As you can see behind me, it's a little rough out there, and that's because we got a hurricane coming in, but let's go see what happens. All right, we're on. Oh, there's a fish right there. He's right there. I snagged him. Oh, lizard fish. Afraid that's all we're gonna catch. Yeah, cut bait. See if it's another lizard fish. Oh, look at that. Caught me a little grouper. Y'all want to see a grouper? Ah, daggone it, you got me. Get my de-hooker, slimy guy. There he goes. How about that? Got us a little grouper on pier fishing. See if we can do catch something else. Oh, we're hooked on again. Hooked on again. A little bigger one this time, or the same one. About 2 for 2. He's a little bit bigger than the last one, not by much. At this rate, I might be able to get a keeper size in about an hour. We get a ½ inch taller each time, or longer. See if we can do it again. Oh, hooked up again. Let's spit that one out that time. Oh yeah, come on. Daggone, we're getting these little baby groupers. Yeah. They need to be about 2 foot long to keep. Cut bait. See. Yeah, that's where everything's been biting. All right, folks, I'm gonna apologize for the wind, but we're out here and we've had a little bit of action. I never thought I'd catch a couple of those small groupers today, but what I'm using is Carolina rigs. One's got a wide gap hook and one's got like a 5/0 circle hook. Everything's coming on that wide gap hook, and we're just using some pre-bought cut bait, and it was brine. I don't particularly like brine. Watch my rod tips. I don't particularly like brine bait. I like fresh as I can get it, but at the time that's all I could pick up, and that's what I got, so I had to settle for it. So just didn't have time to go find some, but that's okay. We're fishing and caught some fish, so that's all that matters. Oh, I'm on, folks. I'm on. I don't know what it is. It's not too terribly big. Well, I say it was. I don't feel like fighting anymore. Maybe just my weight. I thought I felt a thump hit it. Still hadn't seen it. Oop. Daggone. Oh, black sea bass. Little guy. But he's still better not catching nothing. I'm hoping for a flounder. Now those grouper have spines on their underside. This guy does not. All right, so thanks for the tug. Folks, I'm gonna apologize for the quality. I got my camera kind of tucked inside my raincoat. I don't know if it's gonna block my lens, but I'm doing the best I can to keep everything dry and get y'all some content in this little bit of rain. It's not doing bad, it's just spitting at us right now. One more cast and we are gonna call it for the day, because we came out to catch some fish before the storm and we caught some, and it was more or less I could prove I could do it. Oh, I am on. I'm in the piling too. I'm in that piling. Oop. I thought I was on, but I'm not. Well, I might be. Nah. Thought I was on for in trouble there for a minute. Well, I had something on there a minute. I'm out of bait. I'm gonna slow down my talking a little bit. I apologize, it's been going so fast. Real quick trip. Wanted to talk about the storm that's coming up. Got a little hurricane, or it's a tropical storm now, but the forecast turned into a hurricane. It just came off, just destroyed Florida. But shout out to my wife's been on it. She's had basically everything ready to go. Everything's been tied down because it's been right here in the middle of hurricane season. So, you know, September we kind of go ahead and have anything, basically all loose stuff from the summertime already put up and have kind of everything in check, so to speak. But anyways, there's still a couple things that she couldn't physically do that I got to go do. So I just slipped out here to get a real quick fishing trip in, and surprised I caught some grouper. Like, I bet they were undersized, but still, and they were pretty fish, and gave a little entertainment for this afternoon. So with that, I appreciate y'all tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Hopefully no hurricane, but we'll just have to see.